So in this Inkscape tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to bend text here on Inkscape. First thing you have to do is add some text to your document here or your design. So go to this side, choose the text tool. I'm going to go ahead and select the text tool like this. I will then make the text black, just so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. And there's my text. Once the text is created, I want you guys to go to the left-hand side and use the pen tool right here. And I want you guys to make sort of a triangle or really whatever you guys want to do to bend the text. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and use a triangle like this. Once this is done, the triangle will be filled. If you just want to go ahead and not fill it, you can go ahead and go to fill. You can exit out of there and go to stroke paint, and you can create sort of looking like this. So you guys have a triangle that's not filled. Once this is created, press the triangle right here, then go to the left hand side and press on the node tool, then select the top node like this, and then go to the top here and select make selected node smooth. Once you're here, you can sort of smooth out the direction of the node tool like this. So if this looks good to you, you can go ahead and exit out just like that. Once that is done, I want you guys to highlight both the node like this and the text. Go to the top to where it says text, then go to where it says put on path, just like that. And then once you're here and you want to delete the text like this, go ahead to where it says stroke paint, exit out of there, then go back here and you have your text right here that is bent here on Inkscape. So that's how you guys can bend text on Inkscape. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.